Assalamu alaikum. Here comes Rainbow, an educational channel. Kids to old, all knowledge thirsty persons will find this channel helpful and interesting. Please keep eyes on our next step. Step number 1, English grammar step by step. Let's start. Step 1. Today I will discuss about sentence and phrase. What is sentence? Sentence key. A sentence is a group of words that states a complete thought, sense, or meaning. Example: Ronnie told us a funny story. Two puppies played with the ball. The sun rises in the east. Sometimes a group of words makes a sentence, sometimes it doesn't. Let's proceed. What is phrase? Phrase key. A phrase is a group of words without verb. It's a part of sentence. Example: a funny story. With the ball. In the east. These are not sentences, they are phrases. In the above group of words, no verb is seen and they are part of sentences. Example: Ronnie told us a funny story. Two puppies played with the ball. The sun rises in the east. The underlined words are phrases. Let's have a recap on the whole subject. Only a group of words that make sense or states a complete thought is called a sentence. Example: the goldfish swims very fast. So, a sentence must have at least a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. Let's talk about phrase. Phrase হলো একটি শব্দগুচ্ছ যার সাবজেক্ট ও ভার্ব নেই এবং যা একটি পার্টস অফ স্পিচ হিসেবে কাজ করে। এর নিজের কোনো পরিপূর্ণ অর্থ নেই, কিন্তু একটি সেন্টেন্সকে পরিপূর্ণ অর্থ প্রকাশে সাহায্য করে। প্লিজ ফলো দিস কশন ফর yourself, for your society. Stay safe and clean. At last, dear viewers, if you like my tutorial, please share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to get the early notification when I will upload the new videos in future. Please stay beside our channel and give your valuable constructive comments. Thank you for watching.